Today's class is classification of viruses. Viruses are classified on the basis of disease or attacking organisms. Or disease making. There are many types of classes. That's the phytophygeny. What is phytophygeny? Those type of viruses can causes the disease of plant bodies is called phytophygeny. So the viruses whose attack only the plant bodies and make the disease of plant bodies is called phytophygeny. Next, zoophageny. What is zoophageny? Zoophageny is a type of viruses by which only the zoo, that is animal, can be attacked by those type of viruses. So animal attacking viruses is called zoophageny. Next, phage or phageny. What is phageny? Bacteria attacking viruses is called phageny or phage viruses. Next, polyphage. Here it is the other type of viruses, that is polyphage, and bacteria attacking, and that the mycophage. Those type of viruses. Polyphage is the bacteria attacking viruses, only this specific bacteria, that is E. coli, that is Escherichia coli, which belongs in our large intestine and produces the vitamin B12, and those type of viruses attack the E. coli bacteria and called the polyphage. Next, mycophage. The classes of bacteria, the classes of viruses, those attacked only the fungal bodies, that is mycophage. That is cyanophage. Those type of viruses attacked only the organisms of blue-green algae. Next, actinophage. The viruses that attacks only the group of actinoacetic organisms. Next, zymophage. The viruses attacked only the yeast, that is the specific type of fungal body by which the zymase enzyme is produced. It is called the zymophage viruses. So hence I represent various types of classes, and now hypophage. Those type of viruses attacked only the algal bodies of plant kingdom is called the hypophage. Now here I represent the specific class of viruses. Those are attacked various type of organisms on the basis of attacking organisms. These are the classes of viruses. Next, according to the presence of nucleic acid. Presence of nucleic acid. Virus are two types, that is DNA and RNA. The specific features of the viruses are only specific features. Only the number of the single digit nucleotide, that is either DNA or RNA, present in the virus bodies. When the nucleic acid is DNA, it is called a DNA virus. Most of the animal attacking virus are DNA virus, exception qualified FD, that is DNA virus, but it is plant virus. And most of the RNA virus, those type of viruses which hold the nucleotide, that is RNA, is called RNA virus. Most of the RNA virus are plant virus, so they can attack only the plant bodies, that is TMV, etc. But the exception is the influenza virus, the AIDS virus, HIV. They can hold the RNA nucleotide or RNA nucleic acid, which is called the retroviruses. Next, there are separate classes, that is according to the reproduction on the basis of reproduction. There are two types. One, lytic virus, another lysogenic virus. What is lytic virus? Those type of viruses can show the lytic cycles at their reproductive part is called the lytic cycle, that is T series viruses, and those type of viruses shows the lysogenic part and make the prophage. It is called the lysogenic cycles, that is lambda viruses. Next, the shape and size according to the on the basis of shape and size. They are spherical, that is rounded, spherical. Influenza viruses are rod shaped, that is polioviruses, cuboidal, that is herpes viruses, and the tadpole-like viruses, that is T4, T2, T4 viruses are this type of viruses. And according to the on the basis of capsid, on the basis of capsid, viruses are classified into three types. One, the helical. Two, polyhedral. And three, complex. Helical type of capsids are two separate divisions, that is naked helical and polyhedral or isohedral helical, or enveloped. Naked type of helical, that is this type of capsids found in TMV, and with enveloped type of, that is lipovirus, HIV, found in HIV. Polyhedral, that is it is found in 5 to 174 viruses, and herpes viruses also. Complex virus, type of capsid found in the T5 virus. So all the classes I discuss here. Now we learn about the specific type of viruses, that is influenza viruses according to your syllabus, that is influenza viruses, TMV virus, TMV, that is tobacco viruses, and that is bacteriophage influenza viruses. Influenza viruses. Here, that is spherical type of viruses. That is RNA. This type of viruses, influenza viruses. Influenza viruses, that is the lipovirus with enveloped. What is enveloped and what is lipoviruses? All the viruses can make the protein cover. That is called capsid. And the unit of capsid is called capsomere. The unit of capsid is called capsomere, and in the cover of capsid there are nucleic acid is present, and outer part of capsid, some type of viruses can hold the another cover which is made by the lipid. Making of lipid, this is called the lipovirus, and the cover is called envelope, and the unit of envelope is called pelvomere. Here the enveloped added viruses, influenza viruses, the RNA type of nucleic acid found in influenza viruses, that is single strand RNA. 8 negative single strand RNA is found in this type of viruses. Now we learn about the TMV viruses. TMV means the tobacco mosaic virus. It is attacked the tobacco plant, and for the attacking of these viruses, the tobacco plant lose their temper of the leaves, and huge losses fall down of the crop productions of tobacco farmers. That is TMV. The structure of TMV. that is RNA. RNA, the molecular weight of RNA is 2 into 106 Dalton, and the adenine plus uracil is to guanine plus cytosine equal to 1 is to 27. That is, the purine and pyrimidine base combined with the RNA form for the bonding ratio is here, that is 1 is to 27, and the base pairs are found at the RNA is near about 2 lakh base pairs found in TMV RNA. Now I represent here the another specific type of viruses, that is phage viruses, that is bacteriophage. That is base, tail, neck and head. That is polyhedral type of. After that, core point of the tail is found here, and the DNA, that is nucleic acid is found in the inner part of that head after the attacking of host, that is bacteria. All the outer part is hold into the outer part of the attacking hosts, and the nucleic acid only penetrate into the inner portions of the host cells, and so it is called the intracellular virion, and that is called the extracellular virion. What is virion? Virion is the unit part of the viruses by which only the host cells are attacked, and it is the only replicating part and the reproducing part of the viruses. There are two types of virions. I repeat here, that is the extracellular virion and intracellular virion. But extracellular virion is the not of the reproductory part. It is the helping part of reproduction or replication. Only the intracellular virions is the replicating part or the reproductive, mainly reproductive part of the viruses. Now, the reproduction of viruses. There are two reproductive cycles found in the reproductions of virus classes, that is Leydig cycle and lysogenic cycle. The T series viruses shows this type of lytic cycles, and lambda phage viruses shows this type of reproductive cycles. What is lytic cycle? Lytic cycles capable of this series viruses. This shows the 5 stages of these cycles. Those are: A. Landing, B. 1. Landing, 2. The contraction of tail, that is tail contraction. 3. Injection of DNA. 4. Synthesis of early protein. And 5. Synthesis of late protein. And last, release or lysis. That is the bacteria which is the host part of the attacking viruses, that is lytic cycles holding viruses. T series viruses T1, T2, T4, etc. When these viruses attack here, first landing on the body of the host cells. Next, the tail is contact and the internal virion is so closed into the host cells and push into the DNA by the action of the external virions, that is called injection of DNA. After pushing the DNA of viruses, this DNA judge the host DNA and it also makes the enzymes which break down the host DNA and form the daughter viruses DNA. This is called the synthesis of early protein and make the own DNA viruses. DNA protein is called the synthesis of late protein, and after the synthesis of new proteins, the host cell is dispersed and the daughter viruses are pushed out for the breakdown of host cell. It's called lysis or releases. Now the lysogenic cycle, it is not so this type. When this type of lysogenic lambda phage viruses attack the host body, they push into the virus DNA and mixed into the breakdown part of the host DNA and make the separate part that is called prophage. When this type of virus attacked this type of virus attacked on the bacteria, these bacteria are not shows the other harms of the any other viruses. So it is the benefits of this attacking of viruses of this type of bacteria. After prophage, it is make the induction phases, and this process is, the separate name is called transduction of gene. Transduction procedure. So we can discuss the separate in between Leydig cycle and lysogenic cycle. There are 6 stages, no separate stages found in this type of. The T3 viruses shows this type of Leydig cycles. Only lambda viruses shows this type of lysogenic cycles. Lysis can take place, no lysis can take place. Prophage does not make, prophage does make. Now, the viroid. What is viroid? The coverless virus is called viroid, but the peculiar features only found in viroid. Viroid, the nucleotide or nucleic acid of viroid is only the single strand RNA. The single strand RNA type of nucleic acid found in viroid. The viroid, the replication types of viroids, 2 types of replication found in this DNA directed and RNA directed. DNA directed and RNA directed, 2 type of replication is found in single strand RNA, that is the nucleic acid of viroid. Now, viroid genome. What is the type of virus genome? Viroid genome, that is one TL type, that is left terminal. 2 is P domain, left terminal domain. This P domain, that is the central base or control this type of genome. And now the central conserved region, central conserved region, that is CCR. And variable domain, variable domain. And next, last is terminal rigid domain. Rigid domain. Now, we repeat here the type of domains of viroid genome, that is TL type of domains, P domains, central conserved region domain, variable domains, and terminal rigid domains. And replication type is viroid 2, that is DNA directed and RNA directed. Always virus shows the nucleic acid is RNA, and that is single strand RNA. Viroid, what is the difference in between virus and viroid? Viroid are only the RNA typic, but virus is 2 type, DNA and RNA typic. There are so many viroids found, that is PSTV, PSTV, that is potato spindle tuber viroid. CCV, that is kadang viroid, that is shows the disease of coconuts. And HSV, that is